Hi, I'm the med girl, or that med girl. Not my real name, but the one that feels right for this journey. So, basically, I just wanted to share my journey of NEET. No, the NEET till now. I'm an aspirant, obviously, for medical line. An aspirant who gave this exam twice. And this, bhai log hai and behan log, is going to be my third attempt. Yup, third attempt. Very daring, very demure, very classy. Obviously, it's day 66 after the main NEET wala din. कोई बात नहीं. As I've started my journey basically 1 month ago, but thought कि let me share this over somewhere where I will never be judged. In a way, my relatives, few of my relatives, and most of the society members judge me, and also they judge my parents, and they even try to basically bully my parents, not in a legit way, but obviously अभी ना तो आप में से कोई बेवकूफ़ है ना मैं बेवकूफ़. We understand how these people bully you, right, and your parents. Also, I'm kind of fat, not to be no, not kinda. Sorry for two things. First of all, fumbling. Second of all, for being anxious, and for speaking. या तो I'm speaking slowly, or maybe I'm speaking very fast. Sorry for that. So basically, I'm kind of fat, yes, and basically मेरे medications भी चल रही थी, and also I'm very lazy, which is not good. Hence, this year is going to be my at least trying to glow up year. I passed my 12th last year. I guess 2023 में I passed my 12th. I was 16, and right now I am 18. Right, soon I'll be 19. अभी मैं 18 हूँ, and when I'll give my next exam, तब I'll be 19 plus. Right, 19, maybe 2 or 3 months, जो भी. So basically, why I am sharing this, because there are so many aspirants जो 19 होंगे, 18 होंगे. They'll be thinking कि come on, there are aspirants जो 17 cross करते ही, they give exam, they pass it, है ना. तो चिंता नहीं करने का, मतलब चिंता करने का obviously, but hey, मैं भी यहाँ पे हूँ, right? Yeah, like an 18-year-old girl, right, preparing again for the same exam for next year. So yeah, that's it. So it's I guess 4th of July of 2025, and as we all know that most probably on the first Sunday of May of 2026, मतलब next year, अगले साल, we will be giving this same exam again, and hopefully for the last time, भगवान की कृपा से, right? So I have started following the lectures also, right? And in a week or so, or maybe in a couple of weeks, I'll start giving test 2, and I will share कि मैंने कौन सा test दिया, what happened in my test, how was my test, and how much score I got, कितना मैंने score किया नहीं किया. I'll share everything over here, because it's kind of my digital diary over here where I share things, and I will try to make new friends. भले ही online बने, but it is very necessary for me to make friends, right? The new ones, right? The ones who are not judging you कि तू घूम पैसे खर्च कर, right? Come on, not everyone can afford everything. I think it's kind of off topic, sorry. So basically it's 305th day, no, 303rd day, right? Where I am basically I'll start uploading videos and share my views of my NEET journey, right? And this day till 2nd May of 2026, right? So भगवान की कृपा रही तो yeah, I'll always stay in touch with you guys, right? Please, whether you guys are giving JEE का exam, NEET exam, और कोई भी other sector का aspirant हो और exam दे रहे हो, please share your opinion, share your views. any कोई भी social चीज़ से related views है, या फिर अभी आप बहुत परेशान हो, you want to talk, you want to share everything, कहीं पे कुछ लिख के ख़त्म करना है कि just want to जितना pent up है, whatever is pent up in your heart, whatever you want to write or want to share it in the comment section. Also, I'll try my best. This time I just wanted to share my journey, as I'm an introvert, I have no one to talk to. Sorry, I had to pause the video in between. Yes. Now, Basically, if you guys are also preparing for NEET or for JEE, even though I'm not preparing for JEE, but let us be friends. Like, I'll share my opinion, my views, my day-to-day goal, whatever I have achieved. मैंने कितना किया नहीं किया, मैंने डेली अपना DPP सॉल्व किया, मैंने लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए नहीं किए, नोट्स बनाए नहीं बनाए, टेस्ट जो फोर्टनाइटली होता है मैंने दिया नहीं दिया. इफ़ आई हैव गिवन द टेस्ट वेदर इट वॉज okay, right, from my side or not, I'll share everything. Do share your day-to-day goals and whatever, you know. Don't think ki, come on, right? Even I used to be an introvert, and I really hope I'll meet so many extroverts and introverts over here on this site, obviously YouTube, right? So basically this channel is my digital diary, and it's a space for motivation for my own self. It's a space for like pretty study vlogs, which I don't think so it'll be so pretty, because basically I don't come from that kind of family, तो उतना कोई aesthetic तो रहेगा नहीं चीज़ें, but yes, normal, the raw side of the middle class family. And also I just want to say कि all these real moments of your and mine, basically हम एज पेरेंट्स है तो उतना कुछ डिफरेंट होता नहीं है हम लोग के लाइफ में, राइट? सो आई बी शेयरिंग दोज थिंग, राइट? एंड ऑल्सो just this med journey, it's not easy, it is never easy for anyone, but it's worth it, right? Hence, if you are chasing a dream too, welcome home, subscribe, and let us grow together, one step, one page, and one goal at a time. राधे राधे, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, and जय जिनेंद्र to everyone. Bye bye. कल मिलते हैं with a new video and new चटपटी बातें. Bye. Peace out.